What's up everybody, welcome to Money Management channel. My name is Andrei and today I'm gonna be doing an update on Tesla stock.
I got the cash in the bag, stadium packed. Born a rock star in this life, gonna live it up.
And in today's video, first of all, I will show you where we are on a price chart and how we caught this movement to the upside and how I predicted this trend reversal. And then I will continue with the fundamental news. I will show you what was the news that drove the price of Tesla higher from this swing low. And at the end of this video, I will share my thoughts and my technical analysis. And I will show you what should we expect next. So let's start with the price chart. I made my previous video right here at this point, and I've told you that because of this breakout I made my previous video somewhere at this point, right after this breakout happens, but we didn't break these two swing highs. I've told you that most likely we should hit the next range of resistance, and it is $266.86 mark. And I marked this range because previously we had a decent price action, decent price activity out of this range. And as you can see how technical this asset is. I have to say that I didn't do any new lines since I made my previous video, and we have perfect touch almost to the tick of this range. Then we had a bounce, another breakout to the upside, hit the next range of resistance that I also marked previously, then broke it to the downside, retest the same exact range from the bottom, went lower, and for now we are breaking these ranges of resistance to the upside. And I have to say that my win rate on Tesla is quite high. You can watch the video on your top right corner or in the description below that proves my words. And on top of that, I have to say that I caught the majority of its movements. I missed some of them because, for example, from this point to its highest point, I missed this stop with about 19% of potential profit. But I caught to the tick this range from about 110 and below $110. And to this range of resistance, and we booked about 64% of potential profit. So definitely very technical asset, and that is why you can rely on my technical analysis as a part of your due diligence. So, and let's continue with the fundamental news. Previous movement to the upside, this parabolic movement, was the result partially of its partnership, of Tesla's partnership with Ford Motor Company and with GM. And their partnership is related to the supercharger stations that Tesla will provide to Ford's and GM EV customers. And that is why we had this quite massive movement to the upside. And the most recent movement is definitely the result of their Q2 deliveries. And let me show you this article that was published on July the 2nd, and it says, Tesla Q2 deliveries easily top estimates as price cuts take effect. So, Tesla released its second quarter production and delivery numbers on Sunday, easily beating expectations as the effect of the electric vehicles makers' price cuts combined with federal EV tax credits are boosting sales. For the quarter, Tesla reported global production of 479.7 thousand units, with deliveries of 466.14 thousand. The delivery figure easily topped Wall Street consensus estimates of 448,599 units, as well as the prior quarter's total of 422,875. Both production and delivery totals for the second quarter were all-time records for Tesla. Analysts and investors focus more on delivery totals because they most closely track sales totals, which Tesla does not release. Breaking down delivery totals, Tesla delivered 446,915 Model 3 and Model Ys, and 19,225 higher-priced Model S and Model X vehicles. The company also said 5% of its sales were subject to lease accounting. And I have to say that the next crucial point for Tesla is their earnings report that will take place, as you can see, on July 24th, 2023, in a matter of just a couple of weeks. And I have to say that we have to see the increase in gross margin of Tesla sales, and this should drastically improve its fundamentals. And so far, because of this increase in numbers in Tesla's deliveries, we have a lot of analysts who boosted their price targets. As you can see, all of these companies made a new report right after Tesla revealed its data on deliveries, and they boosted their price target. But the price target by itself are not so promising for Tesla, at least some of them. As you can see, Twist Financial set the price target at $240, which implies negative 8.32%. And JP Morgan Chase & Co. Set their price target at $120. It is 56.8% below the current price. So that is why we have to be cautious, and definitely all of its price action depends on the sentiment of the market, and so far the sentiment is quite positive. And let's continue with the technical analysis, but before we dive deep right here, please subscribe to my channel, hit notification bell and hit the like button. This helps me a lot. So guys, for now, we've broke this previous swing high, and if we make a breakdown this movement to the upside, most likely we have something like this. This is our first wave, second, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This is our third wave. This is the bottom of the fourth, and we are on our path to form the fifth wave. And as you can see right here, we clearly have ABC correction from the top of the third wave to the bottom of the fourth wave. And right now we don't have 5-wave structure inside this wave. This means most likely we should break this range of resistance at $280 mark, and we might hit some higher targets. And to project these targets, I have to pull the Fibonacci extension tool from the bottom of the third wave to the top of the third wave and to the bottom of the retracement. And the most probable range of extension in the third wave in the fifth wave compared to third one is 0.786, and it is the price target of $332.35. And from our current range, if it breaks this resistance, we might have up to 18% of potential profit. And in a bigger scale, we are forming the third wave. And this movement, this parabolic movement, clearly indicates that we are in the strongest wave. And from its lowest point back in January of 2023, we, on a bigger scale, we form, this is our first wave. Let me show you like this. This is our first wave. Second, we are forming the third wave. Then we have to see the retracement to the fourth one and another leg to the upside that will complete the entire wave to the upside. And I have to say that we also can project the length of the third wave from the first wave. And to do so, we have to pull the Fibonacci extension tool from this bottom to this top and project it from the bottom of the retracement. And we also have the most probable range of extension in the third wave at 1.618, and it is the price target of $339.26, which means we have a strong confluence range in between these two ranges. And this might be the medium-term price target for Tesla if it breaks this previous swing high. And I think we might hit it right before their earnings report. And on the earnings report or right before this data, we might see the movement, the trend reversal, and we might see the next leg to the downside. That is why Tesla is still bullish in my opinion. But I have to say that the upside potential is not so high compared to its previous movement, and it is quite obvious. Because the higher the asset goes, the less likely that it might hit even higher targets. And I think from the technical standpoint, that's it for now. If you like my video, please hit the like button and subscribe to my channel with notification bell. And see you guys and girls next time. Bye.
I got the cash in the bag, stadium packed. Born a rock star in this life, gone live it up on the attack. Baby,